Hi,
Hi,
how are you today?
I'm good. Thank you. And you?
I'm fine, just a little tired.
Oh, why are you tired?
I slept late last night,
Really? What time did you sleep?
around midnight.
That is late. What were you doing?
I was watching a movie,
What movie?
a comedy movie.
Did you like it?
Yes, it was funny. I laughed a lot.
That's good. I like comedy too.
Do you watch movies often?
Sometimes? Yes. Mostly on weekends.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like romance and drama.
Ah, nice. Any favorite movie?
Yes, I love Titanic.
Oh, that's a classic.
Yes, very emotional.
Do you cry in movies?
Sometimes, yes. And you?
Me too, sometimes.
Good. We are the same.
So, what did you do today?
Today I went shopping.
Shopping? Nice. What did you buy?
I bought some clothes,
What clothes?
a t-shirt and jeans.
Cool. What color is the t-shirt?
It's blue, my favorite color.
Blue is nice. I like black more.
Black is also cool.
Do you like fashion?
A little, yes. I like simple clothes.
Same here. I prefer casual style.
Me too. Comfortable clothes are the best.
Did you eat outside today?
Yes, I ate lunch in a small cafe.
What did you eat?
I ate pasta and drank juice.
Pasta sounds delicious.
Yes, it was tasty. Do you like pasta?
Yes, I love pasta.
Me too. Italian food is great.
Do you cook sometimes?
Yes, I can cook simple food,
Like what?
like eggs, noodles, and soup.
That's good. I also cook noodles.
Easy and fast, right?
Yes, very easy.
Do you help your family in the kitchen?
Sometimes. My mom is a great cook.
Oh, that's nice. What does she cook best?
She cooks chicken very well.
I love chicken.
Yes, chicken is my favorite too.
How many times a week do you eat chicken?
Maybe 3 times.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yes, I never get bored.
Do you like spicy food?
A little spicy, yes. And you?
I love spicy food. Very spicy.
Really? You're brave.
Yes, maybe.
Do you drink coffee?
Sometimes, but I prefer tea.
Oh, I like tea too.
What kind of tea?
Green tea.
Healthy choice. I like lemon tea.
Lemon tea is good. Yeah, fresh taste.
Yes, very refreshing.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Not always. Sometimes I'm late.
Me too. I often skip breakfast.
But breakfast is important.
True, I will try to eat more.
Good idea.
What time do you wake up?
Around 7 a.m. And you?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Wow, that's early.
Yes, but I sleep early too.
That's healthy. I should do that.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Sometimes I do stretching.
Good. I like to run sometimes.
Running is very healthy.
Yes, it gives me energy.
Do you run every day?
No, maybe 2 times a week.
That's still good.
What sports do you like?
I like badminton.
Oh, badminton is fun.
Yes, and easy to play with friends.
Do you play often?
Once a week on Saturday.
Nice. Do you watch sports too?
Yes, I watch football.
Great. What team do you like?
I like Barcelona. And you?
I like Real Madrid.
We are rivals.
Yes, but friendly rivals.
Of course, just for fun.
Do you listen to music every day?
Yes, music is part of my day.
Same here. What's your favorite singer?
I like Taylor Swift.
Oh, she is very popular.
Yes, her songs are nice.
Do you sing too?
Only in the shower.
Me too.
So funny.
Do you like dancing?
A little. Only at parties.
I dance badly, but I enjoy it.
That's the important part.
Do you travel often?
Not often, but I want to.
Where do you want to go?
I want to visit Paris.
Paris is beautiful.
Yes, and very romantic.
Do you want to travel too?
Yes, I want to see Japan.
Japan is amazing.
Yes, culture and food are great.
Maybe one day we can travel.
That would be nice.
The sky is so dark now.
Yes, it's night already.
Time goes fast when we talk.
True. I enjoyed this conversation.
Me too. You are a good friend.
Thank you. So are you.
Let's meet again tomorrow.
Yes, let's do that.
Okay, goodbye for now.
Goodbye. See you tomorrow.